Senegalese, I think there was a period of time they have players the best in the world.
Mm.
They have physical capabilities,
Mm.
strengths, and power, which made them on a very high level.
Mm.
And now I think they are coming back to this world-class level.
Okay. Joining the Egyptians, of course.
Thank you.
There is one thing I noticed as I noticed that the Egyptians they are calm when they are doing they are attacking. They are very aggressive, but at the same time the good timing. They have the good timing, which is one of the factors that are actually making you guys, the Egyptians, win different stages here. Is that
Uh,
correct?
yeah, yeah, sure. I think what happened in Egypt was a gradual improvement since many years ago.
Hmm.
We managed to, I think, from 2004 and 2005.
Yes.
We managed before we didn't have the many medals in the world championship or something, and we gradually we started to get maybe the fifth place, seventh place in world championships, and gradually we increased until now we are capable to win gold medals in the world championship. So I think this gradual improvement was in the physical training and technical training and mental training. I think step by step,
Mm.
that's how we reach this level.
Thank you very much
Thank you so much.
for giving us your time here and talking to us.
No, I'm very happy for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
By the way, do you know that via Azam TV application, somebody in Egypt can watch the championship here? They can
Yeah,
watch it if you can tell your people, the brothers and sisters, friends back in Egypt to use their Azam TV app. Install it and then they can be watching there live. They'll be watching the championship here.
yes, sure. As I told you, the organization here was very nice, and I was impressed by the technology and how Rwanda now is capable of these things. Like the organization and the
Mm.
application and the media. So
Yes.
that's perfect.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank you so much.
Aha, uwo rero akaba ari bamwe mu bakinnyi ba Misiri. Tukaba rero tubwira ko mu by'ukuri yishimiye nivo u Rwanda ruriho mu koruganiza aya marushanwa muri rusange. Avuga ati levo ni nziza, nivo ni nziza. Reka rero ngera nakire nawe n'umutegarugori nawe mu kanya tuza kuba turi buvugane nawe atubwira muri rusange uburyo aya marushanwa ayabona. Akaba nawe ari bugire icyo atubwira kuri aya marushanwa. Nawe akaba akomoka mu gihugu cya Misiri, agira icyo atubwira nawe. Ariko muri rusange bose bakavuga ati u Rwanda uburyo bateguye amarushanwa ni byiza, bati nivo ni nziza cyane. Ahangaha let me take this time to welcome you in the studio and would like to actually welcome you to present yourself first of all for the people who are watching Azam TV to know exactly who is talking to us.
Okay, my name is Sarah Hassan. I'm in the Egyptian national team, and yesterday I won the gold medal in the African Championship, and I'm the silver medalist in the last World Championship in England.
Assalamu alaikum wa
Alaikum
rahmatullahi wa
salam wa
barakatuh. First of all, let me say congratulations to you and tell us, you've been here since yesterday. How have you seen the level of the competitors?
For the past 5 years, the level of the Africans have been improving a lot. They've been traveling more. This is what I've been seeing
Yes.
to the Premier Leagues and to the international competitions. They've been going to seminars, So this improved their level a lot. And okay,
Mm.
and they've been trying to change
Yes.
this. This is what I've been seeing. In my category, in Kata, they used to do Shotokan.
Yes.
This is a style, and now they're changing to Shitoryu because it's more popular now. So they're being, you know, more creative and they're changing themselves. So this is very good.
Algeria is one of the rivals, let me say, or the biggest competitors to Egypt. How do you see their level compared to the previous competitions?
I've seen that they've been changing somehow because I see the young ones now are competing with the seniors. So the teams are changing, and the young ones are good. They have a good future, and I also see Shitoryu. They changed to Shitoryu too, so this is something new to the Algerian team. And I've seen also Morocco, Botswana. So it's not only Algeria now. This is better.
Um, Egypt and Algeria, they are the countries that are actually performing on a higher level, as you said. Even on the world level, you guys are doing much better than any other countries in Africa. But what do you think exactly?